text, let's add a little text. Go over to Hotspots Properties, click on that. You can open up your Objects menu here and then choose Texts. Now you will have a choice of 2D or 3D text. 2D text works kind of the best. You can try it on your own and see which one you prefer, but this should give you an idea of what we're going to be doing. So now that you have your text, again, you have the red outlines. That tells you that it's not going to be doing anything, right? Now here you have basic behaviors and 2D text options. In 2D text options, this is where you can edit the text. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. And hit enter to save it. Now you can see it there. All right, now if you'd like to change the type style, just click on Change Font. Let's go ahead and do something kind of fun. So we'll do Font Diner Swanky Regular. This is one of my favorites. Okay, so there you go. All right, so go ahead and move that. Next, go back to basic and add some behaviors to this text. Behavior, the action, we're going to be linking this to an info panel. Your info panel will look like that. Now the info panel is fully editable. You can make lots and lots of different changes. Let's start with a font that I like. Let's go ahead and do cherry cream soda. Oh, that looks nice. Okay, we'll apply that font and then say welcome to NCNU. I hope you enjoy the tour. If you look behind you, you can go to some other buildings on campus. All right, let me check, make sure I didn't make any mistakes. That looks pretty good, but you know what? It's too small. Select it all. Let's go ahead and change the size. Let's make this nice and large. There you go. Yeah. And we'll break it here to make it just a little bit easier to read. Okay? Too much. Okay, there you go. And here, since we're here though, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other things that you can do. You can add an image, video, a table, for example, if you have a schedule, links to outside resources, just about everything here, all right? If you do know any HTML programming, you can click on here and type directly, but you really don't need to know it for this. So I think we should add a little picture here, just to give you an idea of what it can do. So let's go ahead and scroll down. We'll click on, oh, there we go, and we'll add that one, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and click this and see. All right, so here we can edit the photo too, and you have your alt tag and your caption. This is me. We'll do that, okay? All right, save it. All right, so once you have it the way that you like it, you can save it, preview it, and close it. Let's take a preview. There you go. So when the user clicks on that text, this is what they'll see. Close that. Let's go ahead and save it and close it. So we're good. Now we're going to go ahead then and edit this text just a little bit here to let you see what you can do. So just like our other icons, you can alternate and make the text 3D. This is really fun if you're adding things to, say, a table or maybe on the wall of a building and you want it to look like a poster. That's no problem at all with this kind of stuff. So go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and do this. And we're going to go for, put it right back to normal. There you go. A little bit of opacity. And we're good. You know what, though? I think this is a little bit too small. So here we go. Make it bigger and tip it down so that it looks like it's flat. All right. And there you go for that one. Push the space bar to see what happens. And there you are.